Good morning, everybody. We are about to head to Little Rock. We're gonna go make some more bricks, 2 days straight. We have a pretty good crew this time. Hopefully we'll have some more people on Tuesday as well. But for now, we're still loading up and then we will head out in just a minute.
Alright, y'all, so in the last video we said no more coffee at Starbucks, and I may have lied just a little bit. I'm like a drug addict going through withdrawals. So we're gonna play it safe. We're gonna minimize our coffee intake greatly, but we're going to have coffee on the way to like places like driving long distances. So we're driving to Little Rock right now to make keto bricks. So we're gonna get a coffee on the drive because Crystal and my drive time with coffee, it's just like a sweet little thing we do, and we want to keep that up. So here we go. We're in the line at Starbucks. We're about to go make some bricks. Oh, the things you see at Walmart. We're looking for some pitchers and some aprons because we don't have any, and we need them for the kitchen tonight because we're making bricks tonight. So yeah, that is why we're at Walmart. Boom, we got aprons, y'all.
Aprons on aprons on aprons.
Yeah. We got pictures.
We got pictures.
All right, y'all, we hadn't been home for 3 minutes, and then old Rye runs out the gate, cuts his foot wide open. So we had to do some surgery there. Put some duct tape on it and some super glue. But he's gonna heal up quite nicely. Another day in the life out in the country. Alright, y'all, we're here in the kitchen and I'm frustrated. I overnight delivered some of our, overnight ordered some of our ingredients on the 4th, and they're still not here. So we may have just driven 3 hours, rented out this kitchen space, and brought people in to work for nothing because we don't have the ingredients yet, which is very, very frustrating. So we're doing what we can, but this is one of the frustrating moments of owning a business and having physical products. Yes. Alright, y'all, real talk here for a minute. We've been making bricks, and I'm very frustrated, as I mentioned earlier. I just want to kind of talk about this because this is a good opportunity for me to be a better person, and a better businessman, and a better leader. So I'm going to capitalize on this opportunity. We drove 3 hours from Fayetteville to Little Rock to the kitchen to make bricks. We packed up everything, reserved the kitchen space for 2 days, today and tomorrow. Had my helpers come in, my hired help, Kayla, my cousin Corey, cousin Lane. They took off their other jobs to do this, and we don't have the ingredients that we were supposed to have. I ordered overnight shipping last week for some of my supplies, and they're just not shipping today for some reason. I ordered them like early last week, so not good, and I'm basically wasting time and wasting money, and I'm wasting other people's time right now, which is a very big frustration on me. I've been relatively pissed off because of this. However, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna get the ingredients, we're gonna do the best we can with what we've got, we're gonna come back and we're gonna meet the supply demand that we had set of 5,600 bricks for this month. You know, this puts us back quite a bit, and that's why I'm really frustrated, because I'm trying to do everything I can to make sure we get enough bricks for this big launch at the end of this month. And you know, this kind of stuff you don't really plan for. Like I ordered it in advance so that I wouldn't have to deal with this, and yet I'm dealing with this, and it's just costing me money and time, and it's very frustrating. But again, it's gonna be okay. We're gonna figure this out. We're gonna get our ingredients in, and we're just gonna double time it the rest of the month. We're gonna double time it, and we're gonna put our heads down and grind it out, and we're gonna get the bricks made, and we're gonna get y'all taken care of. And this is just one of those things you learn from. Like I was walking around the kitchen all pissed off, noticeably pissed off. The people that were helping me there could tell that I was not in a good mood. But that's a very poor display of leadership on my part. I'm much better off keeping my head held high and displaying a positive vibe. So that's what I'm gonna do. And turn my day around. And I'm at Starbucks right now. And be full disclosure, I feel guilty, like hand cut behind caught red-handed here. But I'm at Starbucks. I'm getting everybody coffee right now. And I'm gonna go back to the kitchen. I'm gonna be in a good mood. And everybody is gonna be good. And we're gonna do the best we can with what we got. That's all we can do. So let's go make some bricks in a happy mood. All right, Kayla, here you go. My mean boss, my bad guy. My bad guy.
No.
All right, y'all, we have an upgrade. We now have 1, 2, 3 heat sealers. That's how fast keto bricks growing, y'all. All right, y'all, we made 480 bricks tonight. That is the worst turnout ever. But
485.
485?
Yes, 485.
Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna meet our sales? Not sales goal, but our production goal? 5,600?
Yes.
Yes?
Not a doubt in my mind.
Not a doubt?
We're gonna pass it.
Pass it?
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah? Hey, we said we're making 5,600 bricks this month. We will not fail you. Just hold tight and bear with us.
All right, guys. So we're at Starbucks again. Believe it or not.
We're terrible.
Yeah.
We are terrible.
We are terrible. We're at Starbucks again, like we said we weren't going to do, but because the brick production did not go as planned, we actually decided that we're gonna go ahead and head home. So we are spending 6 hours on the road today and only 7 hours in the kitchen. So not a super productive day, but you know, you can only do what you can do.
Incredibly inefficient, but we're staying positive. That's
Yeah.
what it takes.
And sometimes you gotta get extra coffee, so. All right, well, I guess we'll talk to you guys when we get home or something.
It's about 12:30 or 1 o'clock. We pulled into a Shell station to get something to drink, water. Not gonna lie, I'm crashing hardcore here. Alright, y'all, it is 1:30. We just rolled home. You feel like we left this morning?
No, not at all. I don't feel like, it feels like it's super weird right now.
Our days are like totally intertwined and mixed. We have no sense of self or time or any of that anymore. So we're gonna unload the van and go to bed. We'll see y'all tomorrow.